This is your technical update from the LMAX Exchange Research and Analytics Desk for Tuesday, June 30th, 2015. Euro dollar. So a lot of choppy price action in the euro right now, with the market confined to a consolidation over the past several weeks. At this point, the key levels to watch above and below come in at 1467 above and 108.19 below. A break on either side is required for clear directional insight. However, the medium-term downtrend is still firmly intact, and so with the medium downtrend intact, there is a bias favored slightly towards the downside for an eventual break below 108.19. Which guards against that critical multi-year low from earlier this year at 104.62. At this point, only a break back above 114.67 would force a shift in the structure. Sterling dollar. So cable has been locked within a consolidation after recently trading to fresh 2015 highs at 59.30, and the market now will be confined to range trade between 155.50 below and that recent high at 159.30. A break on either side is required now for clear directional insight. Dollar yen. So dollar yen continues to extend its correction since breaking to fresh multi-year highs at 125.85, and the market is simply in the process of unwinding from some medium and longer term overbought studies. At this point, any setbacks that we do see, if we do break below 122, should be very well supported ahead of 120 in favor of a higher low and the next major upside extension back above the multi-year high at 125.85. Euro Swiss. So Euro Swiss continues to show very good support down towards the 103 area, with the market basing out back in 102, in the 102 area back in April. At this point, the recovery structure favors fresh upside back above recent highs at 105.75, a break of which will expose 108.15 further up. Again, only a break back below 103 would give reason for concern. Aussie dollar. So although Aussie hasn't really gone anywhere, the market does remain confined to a broader downtrend, and the market should trade lower over the coming sessions back below the recent multi-year low set earlier this year at 75.33. Only back above 78.19 would compromise the bearish outlook, while a break below 75.33 exposes psychological barriers at 70 further down. Dollar CAD. So dollar CAD continues to look constructive after the market recently put in what looks to be a higher low in the 121.30 area, and that will be confirmed on a fresh upside extension back above 25.63, above which exposes the 2015 peak at 28.35 further up. Only back below that recent low that we saw at 21.30 would compromise the bullish outlook. Kiwi dollar. So Kiwi remains under pressure, with this market continuing to post 2015 lows on seemingly a daily basis, and the fresh downside is now seen towards a measured move at the 65 area over the coming sessions. At this point, any rallies are seen very well capped ahead of the 70 area, while ultimately only back above 72.32 would compromise the bearish structure. SPX 500. So every day the S&P rolls over, that we continue to see signs or increasing signs of the potential for a major top in this market. The market put in a fresh record high in May at 21.37, and since then we've seen some choppy trade, although we're slowly seeing the gradual formation of some form of a major top potentially, which will be confirmed on a break below critical support from March, which comes in at 2040. Look for a break in daily close below 2040 to confirm this bias and accelerate declines. However, inability to take out 2040 will keep the more medium and longer term pressure on the top side for a potential retest of that 21.37 peak. Gold. So although gold has seen some setbacks in recent trade, the market continues to be very well supported above 1170 on a daily close basis. 1170 represents some internal support, and only a break back below this level would really compromise a recovery outlook in gold and expose the 2014 base at 1131 further down. At this point, though, we're going to need to see a break back above recent highs at 1206 to confirm the basing outlook and accelerate gains towards 1232 further up, a break of which would then expose the 1300 area.